Introducing Virtual Try-On Accessories, Pic Copilot's brand new feature. We are dedicated to helping merchants display all types of jewelry and decorations with the most cost-effective solution and the most authentic, professional virtual models. Click on Virtual Try-On Accessories, and you will see a few case examples below. Importantly, you can also select a category to upload your corresponding product image. Once you've uploaded your items, they will appear here, making them easy to select. You can upload images directly from your computer or simply scan a QR code to upload from your mobile phone. After uploading your product, select a suitable model from our diverse model library. You have full control to adjust the product's position to your desired angle and placement. Once satisfied, click Create Now. The system will instantly generate 2 images for you to choose from. If the images don't quite meet your expectations, simply click Reposition Product to make further adjustments and regenerate. You can also use our UHD feature to enhance the image quality. If you are happy with the result, you can click to download the image directly to your computer or scan the code to save it to your mobile device. You can also upload your corresponding product images by selecting different categories. The opportunity to completely transform your product images is waiting for you. Try it now.